Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for web design. Canva provides an incredibly intuitive platform, making web creation accessible to everyone. You can effortlessly drag and drop elements, choosing from thousands of professional templates, images, and fonts. This allows you to build a visually appealing website without needing any prior coding experience. It's designed to simplify the entire process, from concept to completion, ensuring your online presence looks polished and professional. Canva offers several powerful features specifically for web design. You can ensure your site is fully responsive, adapting perfectly to screens of all sizes, from desktop computers to mobile phones. Utilize brand kits to maintain a consistent visual identity across all your web pages, incorporating your specific colors, fonts, and logos. Furthermore, easily integrate diverse media, such as high-resolution images and engaging videos, to enrich your site's content and captivate your audience effectively. When crafting your web pages, begin by selecting from hundreds of professionally designed website templates, giving you a strong foundation. You have complete freedom to customize layouts, add text boxes, and incorporate various interactive elements to make your site dynamic. Remember to optimize all your images and graphics. This ensures fast loading times, which is crucial for user experience, and maintains a high level of visual appeal throughout your entire website. Once your design is complete, publishing your website is straightforward. You can publish directly from Canva, either using a free Canva domain or connecting your own custom domain name. Before going live, share your design with others to gather valuable feedback and make any necessary adjustments. Canva's intuitive editor also allows for continuous updates and refinements, ensuring your website remains fresh, relevant, and perfectly aligned with your evolving needs over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.